Hi friends, let me show you this new countertop water filter that it's so convenient because you can ask it to pour water in a specific temperatures that you need for different beverage, from hot to cold, and the water is being filtered really convenient, really comfortable. First, let me show you, we are going to fill up the 6 liters water tank. Let's do it. You can even use tap water because the unit has an inverse osmosis filtration system. So let's try it. We have our water. Let's put it in the unit. Okay. And then the nice part is that you can set up the water that you need for any temperature, okay? You can ask it for water anywhere from 41 Fahrenheit degrees, cold water, up to 210 Fahrenheit degrees for a really hot beverage, okay? So easy. You just put this, you choose the water temperature, you can put the volume on ounces. Let's do 8 ounces, and you will have your water being poured like this. And it tells you all the information of the unit, even the usage of the unit, so you know when to change filters and things like that. Cold water, and imagine I want to make a hot tea, like 185 Fahrenheit, and this lock is for kids, so kids won't use it, okay? I even can see the ounces that are being poured, and now I have hot water, okay? So, well, it's a nice unit. Let me show you also that when you are ready, or when you need to, you have the filtering option here. These are really easy to change filters, and you just change them like that, okay? So it's really easy to use, really convenient for the different temperature beverage that you can get from it, and it looks really nice in your countertop, in your office, in your home, in your warehouse. I think it's a great unit if you need a water dispenser like this. Thank you.